we thought maybe if the bear is too lazy to eat the deer drumsticks and just leave it.
So we camped this beautiful camping spot. It's amazing. It's next to a shelter again. We packed up our tent, so we're ready to go. We were planning to ride the TED 4-bit 2-up, so we're gonna try it at least. Section 4 and then ride it backwards to section 3. But we're unfortunate because Luca hurt his neck really bad while packing up the tent. So we're planning to go where section 3 starts. Maybe go tomorrow for section 3. So we will see what we're gonna do for tonight. I think we're gonna go campfire cooking. I'm walking around because still those tiny flies are still around. I'm really glad with the new headgear, the cool fancy hats we've bought. So tot zo.
Yeah. You could call me filthy. 어머리에서 왔지. NYC Timberland 구두 입고 왔지. LAX touchdown. I ain't sleeping a beat. Sleep on a stupid long. Get in the car. rodeo driving. Sunny we be riding. Top down cruising down freeway vibing. California calling. LA got the party.
We're having a bit of a hard time finding a shelter that's is suitable to sleep in. We did find one shelter, but it was kind of a camper parking place with fishers already there, so we didn't feel like going sleeping in that one. There was one which had a pretty gnarly road up, and we first tried to reach it through the normal road, but we had to walk 2 kilometers to get there. We didn't feel like that because we also took firewood, which is very big, and we carry it between us, so we don't feel like walking that up 2 kilometers. And we found the gnarly road to the thing, and now it's pretty close, I think. But yeah, we thought maybe if the bear is too lazy to eat the deer drumsticks and just leaving them around in the place where we park our motorcycle, I don't think we need to sleep here. There were also a few bear prints near this place, so we're going to search on, and we'll see you there.
Hold on, yeah, hold on, yeah. Venice Beach, Malibu, that's the truth for my soul. Hold on, yeah, hold on, yeah. I'm talking Beverly, off the century, know what I mean?
So we were planning to make a campfire for tonight, so we bought some wood, but I had to carry it for a long way. I think even around 40 to 50 kilometers, so it was heavy, but it worked out. Some people were laughing at us. I just lit up the fire. I hope we can cook a proper meal. I'm hungry. So we're gonna get to get our dinner ready.
We had cod.
Yeah.
It turned out quite nice with the tomato sauce, with the potatoes in the fire. It's really simple, but still it's always a challenge to cook in the fire and not to burn stuff and not to over or undercook stuff. So tomorrow I think we're going to ride a part of the TED section 3, a bit lighter section. It's not about the complexity, but more the experience of riding in the forest, which is fun for us at the moment. I hope we run into some fellow motorcyclists and share some story. That would be cool.
While cooking dinner, Luca used his glove for holding some kind of plates, the grill. and also cleaned it with his motorcycle glove. So right now we're drying his gloves. So I hope it's dry for him tomorrow.
So we're gonna check out early so we can get up early tomorrow and maybe get some supplies. I think we're going to cook on the campfire again tomorrow.
Next video, we'll ride the Tet while Emma is holding the panniers from rattling of the motorcycle. But until then, you can click here and watch a video about one of our most unique camping spots.